Welcome to the virtual tour of our Centennial facility. DataBank has over 60 data centers across the US and Europe. Our clients consistently tell us they selected DataBank because of the quality of our facilities, the attention to detail, and our expertise of how to operate data centers. Our clients also share what makes us stand out from other colocation providers is the availability of an entire ecosystem of complementary services, such as cloud, managed services, managed security, and compliance. DataBank DEN2 is located close to one of the fastest growing tech hub areas in the state and nation at large. This facility is close to many corporate headquarters with access to the major carrier fiber routes and diverse substation feeds. This is the first of 2 facilities planned for this site that will eventually become a tech campus. DEN2 is an 80,000 square foot purpose-built facility with 2 sections with 60,933 square feet currently usable. The facility is protected by an 8-foot tall metal security fence with an entrance for clients and one for deliveries. Access gates are controlled by a dual-factor security system, along with a camera and numbers to speak to the security staff. We wanted the entrance to the facility to have the look and feel of a Class A office space with plenty of natural sunlight. This section supports the customer amenities which allow a productive work environment for our clients. The entrance to the lobby is controlled with a dual-factor authentication security system and watched by the security station. The high-end finish-out allows our customers to feel comfortable about making a great first impression when bringing their customers, senior management, or board members to visit the facility. The 7x24 security staff monitors the security fence, entry points, and security cameras. All visitors must stop and sign in at the guard station using the automated system. A matching valid ID must be shown to security before receiving the access badge. Visitors must always be escorted. Access to the data center halls is controlled by the security station and the man trap. When we designed the office space, we started by asking our clients what they needed to get their job done. They said having conference rooms to meet, plan, and collaborate was essential. They also said having a nice break room, along with options for dedicated workspace and offices, would be high on the list. So that is what we built. The large accessible area allows people to relax and meet in a casual setting. A conference room by the customer staging area is equipped with a whiteboard, audio-visual equipment designed for the comfort and efficiency of your meetings. All conference rooms are available for ad hoc meetings or can be reserved ahead of time. The customer break room is located next to the conference room and is stocked with drinks and snacks. Now we are going to head back over to the security station to enter the more hardened portion of the center. This section supports the data halls and more customer amenities that make getting and safeguarding deliveries easy. Now that we are on the other side of the man trap, we will head down the hall toward Data Hall Number 1, a 14,804 square foot colo area, and Data Hall Number 2, a 12,316 square foot colo area. There is a wide hallway separating the outside concrete walls from the data centers for additional protection and security. The north side hallway leads to the lobby, and the south side hallway leads to the loading dock and storage area. Entrance to each data hall is controlled via a card scan and biometric reader. The double doors are 8 foot tall, allowing easy delivery of all cabinet types. Each data hall has diverse entry points. Data Hall Number 1 provides several colocation options. The first row of cabinets will support up to 10 kilowatts of draw utilizing a traditional cold aisle, hot aisle configuration. The cabinets are 52 rack units tall, 24 inches wide, and 48 inches deep with a mesh front and back door. The 52 rack unit tall cabinets provide 25% more colocation space in the same footprint compared to the 42 rack unit cabinets. Server lifts and crash carts are provided in each data hall for customer use. The second row of cabinets are configured with hot aisle containment. They are equipped with a solid back door and chimney, which controls the flow of the hot air and forces it into the return plenum space so it cannot mix with the cold air in the room. This is a very efficient design, allowing loads up to 34 kilowatts per cabinet. The limiting factor is the fans in our equipment. They must be able to move a lot of air to achieve 34 kilowatts of actual draw in the cabinet. Power densities of up to 100 kilowatts per cabinet can be achieved utilizing a water-cooled backdoor configuration. The data halls are configured with crack units along the outer edges of the room. The crack units are powered by a primary and secondary feed, which are both backed up by generators. Power distribution is also set up along the outside walls of the primary A side, delivered from the east side of the room, and the secondary B side, delivered from the west side of the room. This provides physical separation of the A side and B side power whips all the way to your cabinet. The whips are also color-coded with amber for the A side and black for the B side, helping to quickly identify the difference. DataBank can provide custom private cages or private suite designs with any level of security and compliance required. The level of auditing in DEN2 is among the highest in the industry and includes SSAE 18, SOC 2, PCI, HIPAA, GLBA, and FISMA. Cages can be equipped with card and biometric readers to control entry. Additional security features such as cameras, motion detection, armored cabling, temperature sensors, and RFI tagging can be added. Private data halls are also available, allowing clients to have dedicated infrastructure and total control of the space. DEN2 currently has extra shell space that will be developed as needed. Custom build-outs could be provided in this area. The loading dock area provides plenty of room for the delivery trucks to turn and back into the dock bays. One is equipped with a lift to accommodate different truck heights. The loading dock provides 2 bays for receiving equipment and is managed by DataBank personnel. Clients do not have to be present for us to receive your delivery. Once your equipment has been unloaded, you have the option of short-term or long-term storage. There is no charge for the short-term storage, but there is for the long-term storage. If DataBank received your delivery for you, it will be placed in a secure cage, and you will be notified that it is on site. Clients can also utilize our remote hand service for installation of the hardware if your team is not available. The burn-in room or the customer staging area can be utilized for setup and configuration of servers before delivery to the data hall. This area provides space to unbox and discard all cardboard, which is not allowed on the data center floor. Power outlets and power strips are provided for customer use. For our network infrastructure, we have 2 Meet Me rooms, 8 on-site network providers, 2 fiber entries, and the Cloud Direct Connect available. And yes, we are carrier neutral. Diverse paths can be provided all the way to the customer network cabinets. We also run a Metro DWDM network connecting DEN1 and DEN3 respectively. The power transformers, generators, and cooling systems are in the equipment yard, which is protected by a 22-foot high concrete wall. A pumped refrigerant system is used because it eliminates water in the data halls and is very energy efficient in this climate. The system is modular, which limits the effect on cold air delivery in case of a condenser failure. We have deployed a modular design that provides 1.5 megawatt power blocks for IT load. The 1.6 megawatt diesel generators are in protective cases for noise reduction and protection against weather. We have been taking care of our clients since 2005. From all of us here at DataBank, thank you for watching. We hope you visit DEN2 and consider DataBank for your next IT initiative.